Hello my fellow trucketeers, how's it going? So here we are in the man cave, and I've got something to show you. So, something you might be interested in. So, are you a professional driver and do you drive many miles within a week? Do you want to make a little bit of extra money in it? Then I may have a product for you. This is called Hivemapper. It's a camera and it takes pictures as you drive along and it uploads them to Hivemapper, effectively like Google Maps, but Google Maps, to get all the mapping up for Street View and that, it costs a lot of money for them to do that. Whereas Hivemapper takes pictures from professional drivers like me and you, and it uploads them a lot quicker, and keeps it all up to date a lot quicker, and it's fairly easy to use. Now, if you go direct to Hivemapper, these cameras will cost you about £450 to £600 depending on the camera. So yeah, so that's a big upfront cost. So to make it cheaper for you, a company called Future Networks have reached out to me, and they actually send out cameras to people, and the way they recuperate the cost from that is they take money out of your earnings. So you could go to Hivemapper direct, have a big upfront cost, and then you get 100% of the revenue, or you can use Future Networks and you don't have to pay nothing for the camera up front, and then they just take a bit of your revenue off you, and that's what pays for the camera effectively. So what do you have to do? So you have to set this camera up in your windscreen without anything blocking the view. So it's got an app, the Hivemapper app. So on there it will connect to your phone and it will show you how to set the camera up. Now when Future Networks send the camera to you, they'll give you all the information you need to help set up the camera. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes to set up, and then you're good to go. So how do they pay you? So this is the bit that's going to be scary for some of you. They actually pay you in cryptocurrency. So the cryptocurrency they pay you is in honey tokens. So I know that's going to shy a lot of people away. To be honest, I was a bit dubious about it, but I've got myself set up and it's all nice and simple. So they pay you each week on a Thursday with honey tokens for the amount of pictures you take throughout the day. So after a week, they take all the pictures in on a Tuesday, cash everything up, and then on a Thursday you will get paid. Yeah, and it's up to you what you decide to do with that. You'll get paid in honey tokens, and then what you got to do is you got to take them out of your cryptocurrency wallet, put them into an exchange, and exchange them to Great British Pounds. So that bit took a little bit of setting up to do, but Future Networks helped me through everything to get to that. So they're very helpful, and they will get you going with this. How much can you expect to earn from this? It depends. It really depends. The more pictures you can take a day on it, the more you will earn from it. But bearing in mind we're coming into winter months now, so the days are shorter because it only takes pictures through daylight hours. So if you're driving a lot through the day, if you're a night driver, this probably won't work for you because it'll always be dark. So on the app it'll actually tell you when it starts taking pictures and when it will finish taking pictures, generally through daylight hours. So as we're approaching winter, you will be taking less pictures a day, but you're literally getting paid for doing nothing. All you do is you connect this to your phone and it will download the pictures from the camera to your phone. Now, like me, if you have unlimited data, you can have it so it's set up so it automatically uploads the pictures as you're driving along. Or if you don't have unlimited data, it'll store all the pictures to your phone, and then as soon as you get home and connect your phone to the Wi-Fi, it will upload all the pictures for you to the interwebs. So as soon as it's uploaded them, they're all deleted off your phone, so it's not taking up any of your storage space. So it's all quite easy, quite straightforward. Like I said, nice, simple to set up. Through the summer months, I was probably taking up to 40 to 50,000 pictures a day on this thing. Through the winter months, I'll probably struggle to get more than 10,000 pictures a day, but that's just to do with the hours. So like I said, through the summer you'll earn more money on this than you will through the winter. How much you expect to earn? Depends on how many pictures you take. So yeah, you know, you're not gonna like earn a life-changing amount of money from it, but it's gonna be a little bit of extra pocket money for you from doing literally nothing. So it's as easy as that. So if you're interested in giving it a go, giving it a try, or just having a look at it, there's a link in the description below. If you can please click on that, that's my referral link, and then go send them all your information, and then yeah, give it a crack and earn a couple of quid now. Cheers, take it easy.